Hey mamas, come spend the first 15 minutes in the morning with me. This is very realistic. This is not my morning routine because every day it's not the same thing. I don't always get up and do laundry. So this is just this particular morning. I cannot do a full morning routine because I don't have enough storage for all that. And that'll be a whole series. So we're just gonna do a little bit at a time. And so right now this is gonna be my first 15 minutes in the morning. Very realistic, stay at home working mom. And so yeah, come along with me. Right now I do use the all unscented on me and my kids' clothes. I need to get my husband his own laundry detergent, just for like his work clothes and stuff. I might do something with like an OxyClean or something that's a little bit more, I don't know, something that's really good for like stains and stuff. So if you guys know any good recommendations, please comment them below. I want to use the Perisil, I think Persill, I believe it is. I want to use that. I'm not sure if it's good, but it seems like it would be good. I see some people using it in their videos. And I'm going to add in some of these Downy scent beads. I love these scent beads. A little bit goes a really long way. So this is my first time coming into the living room. There's usually some clothes on the couch, so I'm really surprised that I think over there on the side is some clothes from like yesterday from more laundry I did. But I'm surprised that the rest of the couch wasn't full of clothes. So I've been doing pretty good with doing the laundry, folding the clothes, putting the clothes up. I'm pretty sure these pillows that I'm trying to fix, they're not in the right order, which is why I'm trying to figure out like why it's weird somewhere. But I'm not gonna take the time to figure it out. So like I said, this is very realistic. I seen my daughter's bottle on the floor from last night, so I picked that up, washed it out, made her some milk for the morning, and started doing some laundry. This is my son's bed sheet that I'm folding up. It's not the fitted one, because the fitted one, yeah, good luck with that. But this isn't the fitted one, so I was able to actually fold this one up. Next, I wanted to make me some coffee. I don't have a coffee machine right now, so I did the coffee with the coffee filter, the little comb thing. But the one that I bought from Walmart, because Target has one that's like $10, and it has like the whole thing. Like it comes with a cup, the dispenser, whatever, like everything you need. So I thought this was that, and it's not. It don't work. So that was disappointing. I had to just put it all back in the box, and I'm going to return it. So since I wasn't able to get any coffee this morning, I decided to just get some apple juice, and I think I threw it in the microwave just so it could be a little bit like room temperature, and that was it. I just called it a day. But thank you guys so much for watching this quick little 15-minute, which turned out to be 5-minute morning video with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.